Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is for learners. I have created one small workflow. It's very simple and easy. That is API authentication. So how to do this response content and how to validate response business response. So I'll show you today within a very simple steps and all. I'll explain you. This is just normally I have created one simple like flow, so which is first of all I have created three variables. In that I have passed one acme. I think you people know aware of it. And in this is also a perfect, not perfect email, just I have given normal. And this is also password like that. So these we are getting from any AWS cloud or Azure or CyberArk. All these we have to fetch from those details from the from orchestrator. Again from that we have to fetch. Okay. So because a few companies are follow security options also. Okay. So now we have to just go on activities. In that activities we have to drag and drop this HTTP. I have here used legacy one. Okay. So in this we should go to the properties. Okay. Here I have created a response content, and this is a response content. This is a response status code. Okay. This will be one is response code will be integer and response content will be string. Okay. So here we are getting two outputs. This also I'll show you. Yeah. So here I have passed this API endpoint which I have created now. So next I have passed in this. This is a key and this is a value, username and password. Okay, and here timeout 60 seconds. As method is post. We have post, put, delete, head options, patch, match. So lot of options are there. So I have mentioned here post. Okay. Next. This first of all we have to check response status code. We have to check response status code. That will be 200 because we have 500, 502, 4, 5, 404, 400. So server unable. So lot many error codes also will be there. But if it's 200 only, it will be succeeded like that. So that's why I have put in like I have took a if condition. I just kept like this. And so here we have passed this response code, right? In this we have passed, this is deserialize JSON. So we have two options here, deserialize array and deserialize JSON. Okay. So based on our project availability, project dependent and on the project we have to take this actually. So depends on like more employees or single employee, like that. Just for example, to understand, I explained you like that. Because that is another topic, that is also I'll show you later. Now I have passed in this response content, right? So this output is J object. Okay. Here the response content output is J object. Okay. So this is here we have checked like one output out token, like that we have created one assign activity. And in that here this response will be there now. In that response, okay, in that response we can find access token. So this J object and access token dot toString, so that this out token variable is holding the it was the response like it was succeeded or not. This out token variable is holding like whether it is success or failed. Okay, so based on that, what I have done here, so if this is 200 is succeeded, then just go ahead and do. Otherwise, it should throw an exception. Okay, this is throwing a business exception that API failed, status code, response code, dot toString. Maybe we can find 400, 500, 404, 402, 404 like that. So if this successful only, it will go ahead, and next it will pass the out token to the next. Okay, otherwise it will throw the business exception. Now this out token is holding succeeded or not, right? Like we are doing for one login. Okay, so after login, what is our object? Maybe we have to update some details in that, or either we can do anything based on our project. So here now I have checked that these out token is there, right? That out token is having the value or not, because sometimes this value will be any null spaces like that. Maybe there is no value in that also. That also we have to check. So that's why if it is empty, we are throwing error exception. If it's not, then we are going ahead. Okay, so that's why here what we have done is the next activity, because this first HTTP request is succeeded, then this out will be passed in this. So that out token plus barrier. Okay, this is a next URL of that this is work items is a different page in that Acme URL which I have login till here .com till here, that is Acme login, right? So we just going some different page, and maybe some we need to update some details in that, right? That is we can do add headers like this. Suppose add parameters, we can do add parameters, and we can do delete also. Yeah, we just deleted, and here we have had getter post like that. This is our token that we are getting from the first HTTP request, right? That we are passed in this barrier plus out token. Okay, so now this will be succeeded, then this will be go to next HTTP request. Okay, otherwise it won't yeah, this will be next, otherwise it will throw the exception. Okay, yeah, this is the HTTP request, right? Second HTTP request, this is the first HTTP request. Okay, then this response will be we have passed in this, and we are creating here one boolean variable, that is success or not. Again I am checking actually. If this not success, then it should throw the business exception. Otherwise it will continue with the next activity. Okay, so I hope you people get clearly understood. So if any doubts, you can reach me, and you can just comment in that, so that I'll help. Okay, thank you guys.